Hello everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. India's nuclear strategy, which has usually concentrated on Pakistan, now seems to be shifting focus to China. Well, India is now developing a missile which can target the whole of China from its bases in South India. While India has traditionally given importance on deterring Pakistan, its nuclear modernization indicates that it is putting increased emphasis on its future strategic relationships with China. That adjustment will result in new capabilities being deployed over the next decade, which may influence how India views nuclear weapons' role. India currently operates 7 nuclear-capable systems, 2 aircraft, 4 land-based ballistic missiles, and 1 sea-based ballistic missile. And at least 4 more systems are still in development. India is estimated to have produced approximately 600 kilograms of weapon-grade plutonium, sufficient for building approximately 200 nuclear warheads. However, not all the material has been converted into nuclear warheads right now. The Agni-2 missile, which is an improvement on Agni-1, can deliver a nuclear or conventional warhead more than 2,000 kilometers, and it is probably targeted on western, central and southern China. Although the Agni-4 will be capable of striking targets in nearly all of China from northeastern India, including Beijing and Shanghai, India is also developing the longer-range Agni-5, a 3-stage solid-fuel rail-mobile near intercontinental ballistic missile capable of delivering a warhead more than 5,000 kilometers. The extra range will allow the Indian military base to establish Agni-5 bases in central and southern India, further away from China. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.